Okay, the next thing we're going to do is something that a lot of us may want to do, and that's just adding an assignment to our page. It can just be as simple as adding, listing, math homework problems, or you can actually put up the worksheet that you've handed out in case anybody loses it or forgets it at school. I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to add something to my math class today. And again, we want to go, whenever we add anything, we go to this icon here in Contents, and we can go ahead and click there. And for me, this is going to be an assignment. So I'm going to go up and ahead and open up assignments. Now I'm going to add a document is basically what I'm doing when I add an assignment. And I click Add. And this is where I put in my assignment information. So I'm going to call this my special number project. You can type in a description here if you want to, and I'm going to give it a due date right now of, let's just call it September 22. Now, this is where you have a couple different options. There's one that's easier for you, and there's one that's probably going to be easier for the people that are logging on. You can import an existing file if you want to, and what you do is you would just click import, and if you have that worksheet somewhere, you can go in and sorry, I did that. If you have that worksheet somewhere, you can choose file. You can go in and find it and click on it, and what that will do is that will attach it just like an attachment on an email where somebody has to download it. The other thing that you can do that might be a little easier for those that are looking at home is to enter the text by hand. Now here you can just go ahead and type. If you're going to just do math pages, I could say page 20 through 24, numbers 1 through 7. And then just go ahead and add that. And I'm going to add it to my other math class too, down here, multiple posting. That's where you can add it to more than one class at a time. And go ahead and hit add. And then when I'm done, I'm just going to hit save and return. So now when I go home and I go to my math page, you can see here that when I click on special number project, it just gives the page numbers and the numbers they have to do. And they can print this or whatever they want to do. The other option that you have is I'm actually going to go in and I'm going to modify this a little bit. If I go into my assignments folder, I'm going to go to edit my special number project, and I don't want just problems. I want basically the worksheet that I handed out here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the worksheet that's been created, and then I'm just going to do a copy, go back to where you were, oops, wrong one, sorry about that. Go back to where you were working. I'm going to paste, and then I'm going to go ahead and save that. I have noticed that in Firefox, it's a little, for some reason it won't let you cut and paste, so if maybe you want to use Explorer or Google Chrome if you have it. But now you can see that if I go to the special number project and click on it, it's got everything here, maybe not in the exact same format that I had it, so maybe it's nicer to do an upload, but either way, you can do it, and it's nice for people to go ahead and look up. And again here, family members, kids can print it, and that's how you add an assignment.